Hi guys, so today we are going to be, I'm going to be putting some clay in my slime. So, yeah. So I'm putting in my worst slime because I want to see if it turns good. So here's the white clay. It feels like snow. Let's put that aside.
Anna?
Here's the thing. Yeah. So let's put the
Anna?
What? I'm making a YouTube video.
You put me on mute.
I know.
You could have told me.
I told you.
No, you didn't.
Whatever. So I'm just calling my friend right now. Okay. So this is the worst slime I have. It was from like kinda good, kinda bad. So we're going to be putting a tiny bit by little. So this is the first piece. Oh god, it's like snow.
Am I still on mute? I guess so. They didn't tell me I was on mute.
Okay.
Yeah, we're on the same team. It's nice, right? You.
I have a little bag of clay. Looks like snow.
You know what is nice when you put me on mute, right?
Okay. And this is butter slime. So now I made butter slime. This is butter slime right here. It's like so hard, but
Yes, you put me on mute.
yes, it is. Okay, so I hope you guys liked it. Actually, it is not. Oh God. Ow. This is actually turning very good. Cotton. A tiny one piece. Six, no. It's so good. Okay. Yeah, this is butter slime. Okay, this is butter slime. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below if you ever made butter slime. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and like. Bye!